Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is 2015 Toyota Corolla S. She has this 2ZRFE 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. I finished and filmed for you engine oil change, and what is remaining is a reset maintenance data in the vehicle. So let's go and do it together. It should be quick. I already installed my reminder sticker on the windshield. Here you can see I added 5,000 miles on it because I believe it's really good for the engine to run only 5,000 miles and not 10,000 miles. Doesn't matter, it's full synthetic. So let's put the key in and see if that maintenance is still required. It should show that maintenance required correctly. And we should, to succeed in this reset, we should be in trip A. So if you read next to the large P, it says trip A. That's correct. And we will put the turn ignition off. And then I will be holding this trip button right here, and I will put the ignition on. So let's do that. I cannot hold everything at the same time. And look, it says resetting maintenance data. It flashed the zeros and you are all done. So I hope you will find this video one day helpful. And please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.